Guys, this is Jared. It's called Fine Outdoors. I'm here with Ed with Cruzr, and we've actually got some stuff that we sell there that they have upgraded. I want to show you firsthand here at the ATA show. So Ed, let's talk about the package upgrade that y'all got.
So we got some pretty cool stuff starting. We have essentially mimicked and modified our large zipper pack with our platform and kind of gets covered up by. This is just a molly system that attaches on the pack that we first started selling back in around August. So we're going to add these to our packs, and we also have a modifier to where we can stick them on the saddles. And the cool thing we have coming in the spring is we have our own proprietary fabric that we're going to sew into the saddles and a variety of camo patterns. What you see here is the original bottomland, so this is going to be the most popular one.
Definitely.
Everybody wants bottomland, and justifiably so. So this is going to be partially sewn. The saddle is still the same design. There's essentially nothing really changing with the colors, and we've added this mesh, or we've added this fabric to the mesh. So as you can see, the inside it's still our own proprietary mesh. We're going to do this in hopefully in the near future, pretty large variety of camo patterns. We're going to match our back bands and our dump pouches and our Cruzr zipper pouch to each saddle pattern. So everybody wants to match. Everybody wants to look good. So we're going to help you do so. Our other pattern that we have going right now is Street Gear. They're based out of, I believe, Utah. They're a Western company, and they're migrating east. These are really cool dudes that we work with. This is the Street Gear pattern. This is a premium camo brand. So we're going to do the same thing with the dump pouch, the zipper pouch, the same material. And you can see the color difference on our normal saddles. We've made everything match, and that is a really sweet looking.
Yes, it is. I've been running the Cruzr Saddle for about 4 years now. So I came out with yesterday to see the camo product. I said that's going to be a no-brainer. That's going to be fun to sell.
Like I said, we're going to have everything matching. It's the same material, different colors, and they did a really good job making that look like a sweet saddle. We're also going to have the same patterns as our packs in the saddles. So you see this brown, the army green here. So we're going to have all these patterns in the saddle, and hopefully you'll see a lot more Mossy Oak, maybe even a couple other different brands coming in.
We look forward to doing business with you for sure. I'm fixing to get ready and get our order going. So guys, if you want to see the new saddle setup and the new saddle patterns, then check them out this year. When do you think we'll be able to get them? Probably August or something, for sure?
Oh, it'll be sooner than that. We're looking at spring.
Okay.
It could be early, maybe late spring. Definitely by summer, all this stuff will be on the market. I know our zipper pouches that were on the top of the packs, they're in manufacturing, so in less than 3 months.
I thank you. I appreciate everything you told us.
Absolutely.
Look forward to continuing doing business with you.
And if you guys have any questions, reach out to us at Cruzr. You're welcome to reach our website, www.cruzr.com, and call the shop. One of these guys will get you hooked up and answer your questions. And reach out to us on social media, and you'll get a pretty quick response. We appreciate your business. We appreciate you supporting the product.
Thank you a lot.
Absolutely.